Hello traders, welcome all to our channel. In this video we are going to see how our TYCOON GAN calculator performed on the second week of Feb 2021. Especially in this video we are going to see how our calculator performed on 8th Feb 2021. Before that, I'm just informing you all the download link for our TYCOON GAN calculator is included in this video description, and how to use PDF also, instruction PDF also included in this video. After downloading our app, after downloading and installing our app, you just send us your mobile number or email ID so that we can be able to give you the login access. Okay, getting into the video. These are all the levels which we have taken from our calculator for the trading session 8th Feb 2021. As per our method, we need to wait for the first 5 minutes candle to close. The first 5 minutes candle close price is 15,085. You see, the 15,085 is falling in between level in above the level 2 and in below the level 3. 15,085 is falling in between these two zones. So in this scenario, what is our trading logic is we need to buy only if the market price breaks above the level 3. On 8th Feb, the high made is 15,159. Our buy entry is 15,169. So our buy entry didn't trigger. On the day, we didn't get any buy entry or even sell entry. 15,169 is falling around this area. If we need to buy only if the price is breaks above this zone only, we need to buy. We need to enter in buy zone, or else there is no trade. So it's a neutral market. So we considered it's a neutral market. So no loss or no profit on this day. That's it, traders. We will see how our TYCOON GAN calculator performed on 9th Feb 2021 in the next video. Until that, bye. Have a great day.